How to create a new dashboard in Zoho CRM. First, make sure you're logged into Zoho CRM. Once you're in, you'll be on your home page. Look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a tab labeled Home. Click on the little drop-down arrow next to it. From the drop-down menu, find and click on Customize Home Page. You'll now be in the customization area. Click on the button that says New Home Page to begin creating your new dashboard. On the left side of the screen, you'll see a list of options. Find Dashboard and click on it. Then, click on Choose Dashboard. Now, you'll see a list of available dashboard templates. For this example, let's choose Org Overview. Click on it to select it. Next, you'll want to add specific components to your dashboard. Look through the available components and click on Leads this month to add it. To customize your dashboard even more, click on Custom View. Then, click on Choose Module. For this example, we'll use the Leads module. Click on Leads, and then select all locked leads as the component you want to add. When you're happy with how your dashboard looks, click on Save and Share in the top right corner. A window will pop up asking you to name your new homepage. Type in a name and add a description if you like. If you want to share this dashboard with others, click on Add to choose the roles of the people who can access it. Hover your mouse over the roles you want to include and click Add. Finally, click Save to confirm your choices. You'll need to click Save one more time to complete the process. And that's a wrap on creating your new dashboard in Zoho CRM. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. If you have any questions, drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.